Hey guys, thanks for coming back. Making a little more progress finishing up some of the details on the Z50 build. As you can see, I'm trying to make some custom aluminum oval vintage style number plates. Had this idea for a while, wasn't quite sure how I wanted to pull it together, but here you go. Just used, I took one of the number plates off of one of my other son's Z50s, traced it on with marker, cut it out with just regular old tin snips or aviation snips, sanded it a little bit to get it a little closer, and then I'm going to use an edge forming machine, or sometimes it's called a slip roll, to roll a bead around the outside edge. After that, do a little bit of a basic polish, punch some holes in it, mount it up, and see how it looks. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoy this stuff. All right, there it is. So made that from a scrap of aluminum, stole the hooks from this little guy right here. That's what I used to make the trace pattern for the aluminum. I ended up just using some rubber O-rings because the ones that came off the other Z50 are too big. It has a fatter top and a skinnier bottom. It's got an upside down fork, believe it or not. And this one's a normal fork. So I think that looks really good for a first attempt. We'll obviously be polishing it up some, making it look a whole lot better. And I got to make one more for the other side. Haven't decided what I'm going to do here yet, but yeah, getting there.